Some of you guys have requested me how to do these problems, so I'm gonna focus right now on how to do this one here, and maybe we're gonna do another one. So first of all, you need to actually make sure you remember this worksheet that I gave you, and I'm gonna link it under the video. Okay, so here you have the power rules. We're gonna use several ones, so I want to make sure you guys have this with you and to pay attention. We're probably gonna pay attention to this one. Okay, this one here. Let's see. So we have square root. No, sorry, no, not square root. Third root. Sorry, third root of 24 v to the third w to the eighth. Okay, how can I get things out of this root? So what you have to understand is, if we have, for example, let's suppose x squared to the square root. Square root, here we have an invisible 2. Okay, when the power and the root is the same, it just cancels out. Okay, just cancels out. This would be x. Okay, what happens if I have the third root of x fourth? Okay, what happens? What happens here is that I can rewrite this as this. Right? Because here I have an invisible 1. 1 plus this 4, so this would be this. So x third times x is x to the fourth. Now this would cancel with this, but and now is when I have to use this rule here. Okay? Which is that when I have two things multiplying inside of a root, I can do the square root of the first, the b root of the first and the b root of the second. So what I can do in here is I can just do third root of x to the third times the third root of x. That means that this will cancel out. Okay, this will cancel out, and then we'll have x times the third root of x. Okay, so the way we can look at this is, okay, anything can get out of here as long as it's to the power of 3. That's the way it works. Okay, so as long as anything to the third power, this can get out of the root. So that's, I think it's a good way to say it. So do you think the v can go out? Yes, because it's b to the third power, then the v can go out. So we're gonna have v to the third root of 24, and now we can rewrite this as v to the third times v to the third, which is 6 times w squared. So now this can go out and this can go out. So we have v to the third times w times w. Oh no, not to the oh my god. This is the third root, not v to the third. And then the third root of 24. This is gone. It's already out. V squared. Okay. W times w is w squared. V times w squared. And now let's think what we have inside of 24 to see if something can get out of here. 24 is 6 times 4. 6 times 4, we have a 2 times a 2 in the 4 and a 2 times a 3, right? So 3 times 2 times 2 times 2 is actually 24. I got this out of this out of this. So that means that this is 3 times 2 to the third. 1, 2, 3. So that means that I can rewrite this as v times w squared, the third root of 3 times 2 to the third times w squared. Okay, and now these two can go out. because it's to the third power. So we have v 2v w squared, the root of 3 times w squared. Okay, let's see if we have an answer like this somewhere. So it's gonna be C, right? Is it? Yeah, it's C. Okay, that's how it works. I hope it helps. Have a nice day, guys.